Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on here now to open my Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to tap on the profile icon. Then go ahead and click on add another account. Go ahead and click on Google. Enter your lock security pattern. Go ahead and enter the Gmail ID right here. So the Gmail ID you need to add right here has to be the Gmail ID of a particular lost phone. Once you enter the Gmail ID, proceed to next. Go ahead and enter the account password. Go ahead and click on next. Then go ahead and click on I agree. Go ahead and add your recovery mail right here. Go ahead and click on save. Skip this for now. After you have successfully logged in the Gmail account of the lost phone on a particular phone, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon. Then make sure you select the Gmail account of that particular lost phone. Once you select it, it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and exit from the Gmail account. So, and go ahead and click on the settings on that particular phone that you are using to track your lost phone. So once you get to setting, go ahead and click on Google right here. Make sure you click on here and select the Gmail account of that particular missing phone. It takes you right here. Go ahead and click on all services. Then scroll down until you get to find all. Click on find all. Once you click on find all, it takes you right here. Go ahead and scroll down. You have two options, ways to use Find Hub. You can use Find Hub on the web or on the app. So I'm going to go ahead and use it on the web. Click on Open on Web. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do, right here is going to tell you the name of that particular missing phone. And at the same time, the battery level, everything is going to be explained right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on play sound. So once you click on play sound, then start once you click on play sound, start checking on the environment for you to know the actual area where the phone is. Once you are able to locate it with ringtone, then you are good to go. You can easily get your phone back. It's that simple. So I'm going to go ahead and click on stop sound right here. It's that simple. So this is how to track your missing phone with just your Gmail account and ring it instantly. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.